Is your business drowning in scattered data and missed opportunities? Turn your data into powerful insights with Power BI consulting services. Our expert helps you transform complex data into interactive dashboards like these and reports, empowering smarter, faster decisions. Why choose us? We bridge the gap between raw data and impactful insights to drive real results, and we have 10 plus years of experience, 500 plus global clients served, authorized Microsoft partner, industry expertise like retail, banking, supply chain, and more. Let's understand business challenges in our solution. Struggling to uncover patterns and avoid risks? We analyze your data to reveal trends, forecast risks, and keep you ahead. Slow decision making holding you back? Real-time Power BI dashboards ensure faster, data-driven decisions. Is your business growth slowing down? Drive growth by uncovering opportunities and maximizing performance. Raw data too complex to understand? We turn raw data into actionable visuals with Power BI Desktop. Struggling to unify data from multiple sources? We streamline data integration with SQL Server integration services. Too much data, not enough insights? Advanced analytics process massive data volumes quickly for real-time results. Ready to transform your data into business success? Connect with Office Solution today. Visit innovationalofficesolution.com now.